Welcome to Virtual Learning Environment. It's an alternative solution for regular distance learning approach. Our team members are Akhil Reddy, Chaitanya, Gangadhar and Mahesh Kumar, and our project guide is Dr. T.V. Rajnikanth. Aim of the project is to provide a smarter online learning environment for the students to register and attend various courses online. I'm going to demonstrate our project, and this is the local language support we are giving. I'm going to show you the Hindi version of the registration page. So this is how the registration page is going to be. You can see this in the video, and I would like to also show you the Telugu version of the page. So this is how the whole website would be. Once you log in, we'll be getting in that language only. I'm going to demonstrate the normal one, that is English. So now I'm going to log in as faculty member, and you have seen I have some 2 friends, and right now I'm creating a course schedule. We have to select the department and the course accordingly, and once I get it, here we can select the whatever the course the faculty is explaining and the number of chapters in that course, and once we give the names, we have to select the timings and just create the schedule. It will automatically send a approve request to the faculty, admin. So now I'm going to show you the admin version. Once the admin gets logged in, he'll be getting all the requests whatever the faculty has sent to them, and he's the only one who is going to publish the course calendar. So you can see these are the options available for admin, and right now I'm going to show you how to publish the course calendar. You can see we can approve or reject the request. So I'm going to approve all these things. Once I have approved, now I'm going to show you how to publish a notification. Here, while creating a notification, we have to select which department and which course, and the students and faculty of that course only can see the notification. Others can see that. So this is how we create a notification, and this will be only done by administrators. So now I'm going to show you again the professor, that means the faculty. So he can upload the previous class videos. Whatever the courses he has created, that courses will be displayed here, whatever the course calendar he has created. So accordingly to the chapters, we can upload the videos. Yeah, that would be useful for the future references. So I'm going to show you a small video I'm uploading right now, that too in Cyber Forensics, the first chapter. So now I'm going to show you the live lecture, that means the live class. So this is the whiteboard, you can see I'm drawing on it, and here we need to invite all the students to that whiteboard. So simply we have to post the link, that is the faculty posts the link, then the students will be able to access that whiteboard. So you can people see here, now it's shown as posted successfully. Now I'm going to show you the live cam. Okay, you can see this is the live streaming, that's how we can do. So this is the way the live class works, and we have also an option called end class. You can, so now you can see the faculty is also provided with reports and messages. Now, so I'm gonna log out right now, and I'm gonna log in as student. So you can see the notification is scrolling. Whatever I have created the notification, that you can see, and you can also see the profiles of the admin or whatever the user of this thing. And now I'm gonna write the self-assessment test. So that is for first chapter. You can see there are questions. I have actually 5 questions. I'm gonna answer everything. I'm gonna leave a single answer, and so once we submit that paper, you can see the total score is 8, and so in that way you can see the result. And coming back to download hall ticket, you can see this is the hall ticket. You can print it from online, and that would be useful for your final examination.